Hello my dear little ones. Children, today we are going to learn one more new capital letter. But tell me, which was the last letter ma'am has taught you? Yes, capital letter W. And what comes after W? Yes, capital letter X. Now, all of you show me your pointer fingers and do like this. Now tell me, which letter is this? Yes, capital letter X. Okay, then X says
Sh.
X says.
Sh.
Now let's learn more about capital letter X.
Now children, let's do one nice activity. See children,
These are popsicle sticks.
from these popsicle sticks, we will make capital letter X. First, we will take one stick, then place it in a slanting line like this. Then take another stick and place it in opposite slanting line. See children, which letter is this? Yes, capital letter X. Slanting line and opposite slanting line. Capital letter X.
X is for xylophone, xylophone. X is for Xerox, Xerox. X is for Zebek, Zebek. X is for Zephyrus, Zephyrus.
Now let's write capital letter X in red and blue line. From red line to second blue line, make slanting line, and again from red line to second blue line, opposite slanting line. Capital letter X. One more time. From red line to second blue line, slanting line. Again from red line to second blue line, opposite slanting line. Capital letter X. In your ABC fun book, open page number 5757. Capital letter X. X for Xmas card. Xmas card is a card which we give in Christmas for good wishes. X for xylophone. Xylophone is a musical instrument. X for Xerox machine. Xerox machine is the machine in which we take photocopies of documents. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree is a tree which is decorated in Christmas with different color of balls, lightings and star. Now this is X for Zebek. Zebek is a ship which has 3 sails. Okay kids, this is X for Zebek. Now we will revise all the pictures one more time. X for Xmas card, X for xylophone, X for Xerox machine, X for Xmas tree, X for Zebek.
Now let's write capital letter X in notebook. First we have to put 5 ticks. Then keep your finger on first tick. From red line to second blue line, slanting line. Again from red line to second blue line, opposite slanting line. Capital letter X. One more time. Red line to second blue line, slanting line. Red line to second blue line, opposite slanting line. Capital letter X. Again, slanting line, opposite slanting line. Capital letter X. In this way, you have to write capital letter X in these both lines. Okay? Here we will draw xylophone. First we have to make one slanting line, leave some space and make opposite slanting line. Now leave some space on the top, then make slipping line. Next to the slipping line, again draw one more slipping line and join with standing line. Again leave some space, slipping line, another slipping line and join this with standing line. Again leave some space, slipping line, another slipping line, join with standing line. Again leave some space, slipping line, another slipping line and join with standing line. Now we will make small dots. Okay? This side also make small dots. Now make sticks. For that make one slanting line and circle. Again opposite slanting line and circle. These are sticks. And which picture is this? Yes, xylophone.
Now on page number 58, which letter is this? Capital letter X. Draw one related picture for X. Kids, in this box you have to draw picture of xylophone. Now trace and write. From red line to second blue line, make one slanting line. Then again from red line to second blue line, make opposite slanting line. Capital letter X. Same way you have to trace all these X. Now let's write. From red line to second blue line, make slanting line. Then again from red line to second blue line, opposite slanting line. Capital letter X. It's same way you have to complete all these boxes. Now it's exercise time. Color the capital letter X only. Kids, here different letters are given and we have to find out capital letter X and color it. Now kids, which letter is this? Right, capital letter X. So first we will put a small tick. Now which letter is this? Capital letter Q. So we will not put a tick here. And this one is capital letter X. So we will put a tick. Now this is capital letter S. So here we will not put a tick. And which letter is this? Right, capital letter X. So here we will put a small tick. And this is capital letter W. So here we will not put a tick. So kids, you will color the letter X in which we have put a tick with any color. Okay? Understood? Bye bye.